It did arrive! My Marathon Plus wheel tire, actually. So I'm gonna put it on my Brompton, and this weekend we're gonna try it on. So let's put it on. Sorry for the background, there's no background here, but it's still hot in here. It's like 30 degrees with the air conditioner, because outside it's almost 40 or more. Maybe here. Aha! I got it! Let me show you. That's very, very, very important. See here? You see it? Rotation. This has to be in the right side. That means that rotation, it rolls like this. So now I have to think, because the bike is upside down. So wait, let's think. Okay, even if she's up there, she's going that way. So it's gonna roll this way, right? I hope so. Victor put a tip in his marvelous video of hacks, and I gotta use it. And the tip was, if you wanna fix a tire, sometimes when the tire is old, it's easy. When the tire is not new, look what happened. As soon as you get this in, this one goes up. So the tip was, I really like it, Victor, thank you. It's put like a Velcro or something. He said I can put a Ziploc or whatever you can hold in it, like a third hand, you know. And you hold it, so you won't move it away. And work in the other side. Let's see if I can put it. Yeah! Thank you! That was great. I love it. Today is Sunday. Perfect day to ride your bike. And especially our Brompton. Today I'm gonna test the Marathon tire. That's a brand new one. We just put it in. And that's the old one. Let's try it in. Ready to go? Let's ride our Brompton. First impression. I feel a little bit more rigid from the original Brompton tires. But in my case, I come from road bikes. Bom dia, bom dia! My team. They're going up to the mountains today. But I'm here to do this review for you. So, there's a lot of kilometers to go. Let's see how it goes. Yes, we are back in my favorite spot. Look how beautiful. I love it. It's more rigid, have more control. I lost I have to check out, but maybe I lost half kilometer, you know, in a cruise speed. I like it, really like it. Yonder asked me for some tips going uphill. Actually not hill, but slopes. You know those little hills? So there he goes. There is another hill. A little slope. Charge it. Go strong. Okay. As much as you can. Actually, this one is very light. But let's say that now it gets hard. Then you change gears right before it gets hard. So we keep moving, same RPM, but less effort. And you get uphill, lighter. Cannot say no effort, but less effort than if you change the gears right in the beginning. You have to change it. You have to change it right before you need it. I know, sometimes it's hard to get the feeling, but with time you get it. It's right before you need it. I love this place. So beautiful. Ai, garoto! Bom dia, bom dia! Beijos, obrigado pela carona. Até mais. Pro bikers are great. Oh, I like them. Actually, I like road bikers, mountain bikers, fat bikers, folded bikers. I like to ride a bike. Okay. Here it is. I really enjoy it. It's a very good tire. Nice treads. Very nice to maneuver. Was very easy to go around. I don't think I lost much speed, you know. I don't think so. I thought it was a very good one. And you know what? I'm gonna order for my front tire. Okay, and I will have around 200 grams more than I have it now, but I think it's worth it because I like the way it rides, you know, it rides steady and firm. But if you have a mountain bike or you used to ride in fat tires, you know, you're not gonna like it because it's rigid, it's more rigid. But I'm used to road tires. Road tires are very fun and very hard. So if you did like the video, thumbs up. And if you did not subscribe yet, please do. It's so nice to have you on board. It's so magic. I really enjoy this channel. I don't know the channel is for you, but I really enjoy it. And if you want to be notified about the videos, because I never have the right day, like I'm working in a video from Curitiba, but I can't finish yet. The little bell, you know, she's the one that gonna tell you, gonna notify you when the video is out. And enjoy this video. All yours. Bye bye.